Hello everyone, welcome back to my shop. Today I want to talk about something that's been a massive support for me over my wood turning journey, and that's membership in the American Association of Woodturners. When you spend time alone in your shop, whether it's a shed, your basement, or a garage, it's easy to feel like you're on an island. Whether you've been turning for 30 years or you unboxed your first lathe last week, there's a whole community of support, education, community waiting for you there. When I first started wood turning shortly after retirement, I'd never heard of a wood turning club. Before long, I was a member of several different local clubs, and with the opportunity to every month watch a skilled demonstrator make a presentation and also participate in hands-on workshops, attending weekend-long events called symposiums once or twice a year, where you got to see professional demonstrators non-stop, and you had an opportunity to visit with a vendor fair and actually talk to small wood turning business owners, ask them questions about their product, pick up their tools. It was a great learning experience. I bought a number of tools there, and even in wood as well as a lathe. As my wood turning skill progressed, I was able to step into the demonstrating arena at local AAW affiliated clubs, and moving on to regional clubs or other wood turning clubs in the region, and finally to demonstrating a regional symposium and at the national symposium. Okay, all packed up. I'm just about ready to go. Early on, when visiting friends or family, I had an opportunity to use the AAW membership directory to call on local wood turners and make shop visits, and I made a number of lasting friendships there. When I was working for a living, I never had published anything, and after I'd gotten into wood turning, it gave me the opportunity to actually start writing articles and get published in publications like the American Wood Turner. I've gone on to publish a couple of dozen articles. And this is not about me bragging, this is just describing the role that AAW has played in my life and given me so many different opportunities in wood turning besides just wood turning. Before YouTube, there were internet forums, including the AAW forum, where you could post questions and get answers and share with other wood turners. And that AAW forum is still available for you. When we talk about AAW membership, it's easy to see the support for individual members, but you need to also remember it supports the clubs. As a 501c3 charitable organization, educational organization, the AAW has provided many educational opportunity grants to clubs, including clubs that I belong to, which we've gotten grants to help provide mini lathes for workshops, as well as our audio-visual equipment. The AAW has assisted us with an educational opportunity grant to help us start a program at Eagle Ranch. Eagle Ranch is a Christ-centered nonprofit organization in North Georgia that offers a residential program and counseling services designed to help children and families in crisis navigate challenges and restore their relationships. AAW also offers training resources for new demonstrators to help clubs out, and that helps as we're trying to enlarge the pool of folks that will step in front of the room to help demonstrate at clubs. If you ever thought about demonstrating but weren't sure to start, this is exactly the kind of support AAW provides. AAW also provides a liability insurance policy without which many clubs would not be able to operate. Over the years, the connections I've made, the inspiration I've pulled from fellow turners, and the sheer depth of reliable information have shaped how I approach every single project. The AAW is an organization run by turners for turners. It provides a shared language and a collective passion that elevates all of us, no matter our skill level. But you don't have to just take my word for it. Let's look at what membership actually puts at your fingertips. Head over to the AAW member benefits page and you'll see a robust lineup of resources. Let's break down some of the biggest highlights. Publications and archives. First off, you get a bi-monthly delivery of the award-winning American Woodturner Journal. It's packed with inspiring project guides, artist profiles, tips, and techniques. Plus, your membership unlocks a full digital access to past issues dating all the way back to 1986. That's 4 decades of searchable expertise right at your fingertips. And Woodturning Fundamentals and Learning Portals. If you're building foundational skills, the targeted Woodturning Fundamentals publication and online learning portals provide a fantastic step-by-step guidance, downloadable PDFs for your shop, and safety tips. If you've assumed AAW content skews toward advanced or competition level work, this publication is a great resource to reconsider. It's built for exactly where many of us started at. AAW Explore. It's a search tool for their website with over 3,000 documented projects, articles, videos, and tips. The Explore tool makes it effortless to search for specific techniques, whether you're learning how to sharpen a gouge, master bowl, core cutting, or adding texture. And of course, we mentioned community and local chapters. Membership connects you to a global community of over 12,000 members across hundreds of local chapters. Finding a local chapter is one of the absolute best ways to get hands-on advice, and you can do that on the woodturner.org. Discounts and events. Members also receive special pricing on educational events, merchandise, and registration for the massive annual International Woodturning Symposium, which was held this year in Raleigh and next year in Oklahoma City. If you've been turning for a while and never joined, or you're a new wood turner and you're not sure what the benefits are, I'd encourage you to take a look at their website. AAW also offers a free trial affiliate membership available worldwide, which includes 3 months of access to all the digital resources, current and archived digital documents that I've mentioned, learning portals, projects, articles, tips, videos, member-only discounted items, and live events, newsletters, galleries, directories, and store discounts. If you're already an AAW member, drop a comment below and let me know what your favorite benefit or article is from the journal. And if you aren't a member yet, I strongly encourage you to check out the website, woodturner.org, and look at the membership options considering joining our community. Thanks for watching. Stay safe in your shop. We'll see you at the next video.